Hello friends, welcome to this session. And as we have configured the Terraform and with uh, configuration also done with the AWS account, so let's create the new script and basic script to uh, create a EC2 instance in AWS, and this is our first and basic script of Terraform. So let's try to understand how to create EC2 instance in Terraform. Okay, so let's move to the script. Okay, so here I have created one main.tab. As I said earlier, we creating the uh, script with name of the main.tab, and this is my provider information. In provider, given the region is AP South 1 is Mumbai, Asia Pacific Mumbai, and this is my account for my user credential, access key and secret key. Okay, so now let's move to the resource. In the resource I have given the AWS instance. So AWS instance will create the AWS instance EC2. So basically you have to use this resource, and here you can give the name for your resource for mapping. So here you can give any names, but you cannot change the instance AWS underscore instance name. Okay, so in an instance you have to provide the AMI. So AMI means Amazon machine image, and basically you have to give the AMI, which from this AMI it will create a new instance. Then instance type, and given the basic tag for the instance. So let's go to understand how to create instance through AWS. Okay, so you can see here that in a AWS EC2, this is the dashboard for the EC2, and here once I click the launch instance, it will ask me to the select the AMI. So here Amazon gives the multiple AMIs, and for each regions have the different AMI ID. So we have to change this AMI ID. So I'm just changing this AMI ID in our script. So basically this was for different regions. Okay, so I've changed the AMI ID, and once you select this, and it will give asking for the um, instance type, which we have given here. You can see the instance type. Okay, and race configuration will ask here, but as this is first script, so we will go with the default configuration. So just canceling this script, and you can see here no instance is running. So let's try to run this script here. So let's once more look the instance. Okay, so first command is terraform plan. So it will check our script and show us what things will be created and what resource we are going to create. So here you can see the one is add, zero is change, and zero is destroy. So one resource will be add, and this is the configuration for your resource. So the resource is added is the AWS instance, is the resource name is my is first EC2. So this plus is showing the create of the new resource. This is the AMI ID which we have passed. Source destination check, it is taken the automatically true with default configuration. Tag we have given, so it's showing the one is yes, and this is the tag name. This configuration will be automatically taken by the AWS instance. So to create our AWS instance, we have to execute the terraform apply command. So passing the terraform apply, and this will create the EC2 instance. So you can see the log here. Okay, it will ask for confirmation for creating, so I'm giving the yes. Okay, so one resource is created, zero is changed, and zero is destroyed. So our one resource is created. You can see the information here. So resource created after 23 seconds, and this is the resource ID. So with this resource ID is created. So let's move here and let's check the resource is created or not. Okay, you can see the resource is created here, and this is the instance ID. You can map this instance ID is 816 BD. So you can see the same 816 BD. All race configuration is taken by default, so public enable VPC and all the configuration taken by the default, and basically it create the first EC2 instance. So this is the EC2 instance is created with as we given the tag. So this is the tag name. It also taken the tag name. You can see in our script. So we also pass the tag name. We can change the tag name. So if I want to change the tag name, just passing the tag name here, that my web server. Okay, so let me apply again. So it will check the state from the existing one and what I have changed right now, and after that it will going to apply. So you can see the difference here. The AWS instance first issue, so the tag name is changed from existing this one to the web server. So when I will give the yes, it will going to change. Here you can see the zero add means nothing is add, one is change. So no new resource is going to create, it will change the one existing resource. So one change is impacted here. So here one change. Let replace this one. You can see the change the name of web server. Okay. So basically when you create a resource, it will um, show in your plan, and it will actual ID will be showing your apply. Okay, so if we want to this is the creation and updation, then basically we want to destroy. So the next command is destroy. So this will destroy all your configuration which created through the Terraform script. And here you can see the message here. So hyphen is showing the your this particular instance are going to destroy. You can see the destroy here. So when I will give the yes, it will destroy my all the changes which are created through the this specific script. So it will going to destroy this particular instance ID. It might take us some time, but not too much. You can same see the status from the console. So here it's already given the command terminated and it's shutting down. You can see the status here. It's shutting down. So basically it's waiting for the status. Okay, it's terminated. Yes, resource is destroyed. So friends, this is our first script of Terraform. How to create the basic EC2 instance, how to modification of the instance, and uh, procedure for the destroying that particular object which created through the Terraform. Okay friends, thank you, and please like video and share with your friends and share your valuable comments in YouTube comment sections. Thank you.